We're going to cover how to bulk upload class and student information. First, start in the Admin tab and click on the Upload Classes and Rosters button. You'll be taken to this page where you can click on the link in Step 1 to download the class and student upload template there. When you open the template, you'll see that the columns already have headings at the top. Simply fill in that information for each student and save the document as a CSV file. If you're using something like Google Sheets, you can download as and click the comma-separated values option. Navigate back to Zinc on your web page, scroll down and click on Choose File. Find the file, the CSV file that you just created and saved. Click Done. If it looks like the right file, you can go ahead and import. If it was successful, you'll get a notification saying that the import was successful, including the class name and the names of the students that were successfully imported.